If you retire early or you are being laid off, right, and you still have, school-going kids, and you have your investment and probably your pension fund EPF at a certain value, you wonder, can I stop work and can you just like leave off whatever that investment or retirement fund that you have until age 80 or 90? And this is what this AI retirement advisor tool is going to help you, give you a very good picture of whether you can afford to do that or not. So start by telling this AI retirement tool your age, what is the year, how much you have, what's your retirement fund in total, how much it's giving the investment return every year. And of course, you have to first tell it, like, in your retirement years, how much you need to withdraw every year, right? And what is the inflation rate like, starting from what age to what age, right? And just at your fingertips, instantly, if you compute for you year by year how your retirement balance is going to grow, how it's going to be depleted after your withdrawal, right? So you can clearly see, like, okay, how long it can last. Now, in this sense, it will last like up to 79, which is pretty okay. But then in this case, you have not really accounted for how much you need to withdraw for your children education. Yeah, if you were to allocate, say for example, 400,000 for your children education at age 52, and then another 400,000 at the age of 56, assuming that you are 49 right now. So if you rerun the scenario again, and look at your numbers and see how sustainable is your total retirement fund for yourself after spending for your children education. And you see the scenario changes. This tool tells you that your money will run out even earlier as at 73. Now, obviously, that is not acceptable. So you can continue to use this tool to help you plan ahead to say how would you want to adjust your retirement withdrawal strategy so that to prevent you from running out of money too early at 73 after funding for children education. So obviously some of the things need to change, but what are the things we are talking about? What are your options? And this tool will actually give you suggestion.